Hello everyone, I am Deng Liyuan from Huawei Global Partnerships and Ecosystem Development Department, and welcome to Release Overseas App in China session. Today, I will be talking about our white paper for global app development in China. This topic will have 4 parts. In the first part, I will go into detail about trends in Chinese mainland market. The Chinese mainland market is one of the largest in the world of mobile internet. According to CNIC, China had as many as 904 million internet users in 2020, and the internet penetration rate was as high as 64.5%. Among these 904 million users, 897 million were the mobile internet users, which is a staggering 99.3% of the total of internet users. We can see that the mobile internet is taking dominance in the Chinese mainland market. Smartphones have had a huge impact on people's daily lives. In the Chinese mainland, the Android app market dominates as Android phones have a market share of 83.3% in the Chinese smartphone market. If we look at this chart, it shows the total number of the daily usage time of mobile devices in different countries. According to AppGallery, the average daily usage time of mobile devices is close to 4 hours, and the increase rate are above 60% in 2 years in China. According to AppGallery, the annual growth rate of app downloads in the Chinese mainland is over 80%, far exceeding the global average growth rate of 45%. In this picture, we can see that the Chinese mainland market is still the largest in the world for app-related purchases, which is nearly 40% of the total, with a growth rate of 190%. Among the market analysis, China ranked the third in terms of average revenue per user among newly released games in 2019. Please kindly note that iPhone only for China. The other countries calculated the iPhone and Android phones together. According to XDA Development Forum's research, there are 4 main challenges overseas apps are facing to enter Chinese market. 44% of developers think that user acquisition would be the most difficult issue to enter China market. Relatively, 25% of them regard localization as hardest problem. Chinese policy remains one of the big issues as well, which would be hard to understand for most foreign developers. Requirements for apps vary by category in China. The government has a strictly controlled in some categories, especially in games. As in data security and taxation, the laws are listed. In the process of product localization, how to make the functions of the application closer to the Chinese market is an indispensable topic. For services that are not available in the Chinese mainland, such as account, payments, sharing, maps, and email, we recommend finding some alternative solution so user experience is not affected. This is the landscape of Android App Store in China market. You can see that we have both mobile brands app stores and third-party app stores in this market. It's really a highly fragmented market for Android app distribution here. Local teams are indispensable for success in the Chinese market, as launch team and operation teams are recommended most in China. With the development in China, the product team and the market development team will also help a lot. Huawei AppGallery is available in over 170 countries regions, with 460 million monthly active users globally with 2020 each one. and its applications get a total download of 210 billion times within 2019. Huawei has been and will always try the best to provide following services, including consultation, anything related to law, the data issue, we can help with that. Localization, it is about testing in Chinese market, and HMS integration. Moreover, marketing, we will help you with online marketing and monetization. At first, we will provide the one-stop policy consultation for the Chinese market. For example, how to publish a game in China. The most likely challenge you face is the strictly qualification requirements, such as ISBN, computer software copyright certificate, and so on. In order to tackle these issues, Huawei will provide consultation to help you understand the China game market and introduce some famous Chinese agency to help you publish the game. Huawei HMS Core provides app services for developers in various vertical fields such as travel, tours, e-commerce, and social interaction, helping developers to quickly build applications, connect users, and monetization. To help app developers who are entering China for the first time, Huawei has rich promotion resources to provide, including top banner, push message, new release, global apps, and content window. With all the resources, we can guarantee you with big boost on user acquisition and monetization. Among many commercial promotion methods in AppGallery, such as banner, push, and window, search remains to be one of the most efficient methods of all. Hence, I would like to give you some introduction of search here. Of all downloads in AppGallery, over 80% of them are from direct search. Moreover, one-step search resources can help increase keyword-based downloads by over 30%. Here is a picture demonstration of search. As you can see, it is a very straightforward presentation of apps, hence very easy for users to download. Other than sharing resources with partners, AppGallery can also help to analyze user data and promote accuracy based on device, population attribute, app user behavior, and app preference. For example, according to AppGallery data, the peak time to visit is 11 to 14 in the noon and 19 to 22 in the evening. As for the date, Friday and weekend would be the most visited time. Needless to say how helpful this data and analysis would be when it comes to promotion in China for foreign app companies. Huawei Ads is the main entry to attract massive traffic, which will provide abundant ads resource, such as splash screen, newsfeed, top banner, pre-roll ads, banner, and Huawei video. Huawei Ads can accurately determine the targeting of ad placement based on multiple data to provide correct ads for users. Huawei Ads obtain the seeds and optimize the user model, then deliver ads to lookalike users. Since last year, we have been working with over 315 partners with a growth rate of 80%. Let's see what they are talking about. Monthly is a language learning app that helps users to explore the world of languages. Through a partnership with Huawei AppGallery in 2020, Monthly has been successfully launched in the Chinese mainland. Facetune 2, an easy-to-use selfie processing app with more than 150 million users worldwide. Facetune 2 partnered with Huawei in 2020 to complete its first launch in Android App Store in the Chinese mainland. And thanks for the support from Lightrix team. Well, that's all for the white paper for global app development in China, and thanks for watching. See you next time.